brand new 100% commission system. Can I show you how to start making $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page? Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. And how you can do it without having to sell? You got to stay with me to the end of this video, and I will show you that and much, much more. But you put your first name, your best email, and optionally your phone number, okay? And then you hit this button right here. Now, why would you do that? I'm going to show you that too. Now look. And then I'm going to show you more information. Okay, so when I check this out right here, right, I'm going to look on YouTube. If this works for me, okay? You see how it says incognito mode. So these are real results, right? And you can search for yourself. And this is the type of elite training we have, because we're not show you how to make more money with Bitcoin, okay? But we also have training like this, okay, that teach you how to rank for any keyword, okay? Any keyword phrase, okay? On YouTube, and sometimes you even rank on Google. Google is much harder. But as you can see, number 1 hasn't even premiered yet. It is 7-9 as I record this. I'm show you real quick.
Alright, so you're in sales and considering switching.
Let me see if I can back. No. 7-9, okay? And I have to back up. Okay. It is, so when I record this, it's 7-9. This premieres tomorrow. But look, this appears the day after. And that's actually going to be delayed. And see if I can find anything else. There's another thing, okay? 5 days ago, right? But look, a lot of these 6.4K views, 1.5K views, 1.2K views, 480 views, 3 views, and these haven't even been published yet, okay? And I'll show you more in just a bit. I'm going to start with this blog, okay? So I've already shown you elite results, and I'll show you more in just a bit, okay? So this is, what is the high ticket lifestyle? 5 forbidden truths, okay? You were trained to believe that income is tied to hours, effort, and grind. That conditioning is the ultimate trap. It is a digital treadmill engineered to keep you running in place while the architects of the system collect the yield. When I look at my own bank account, the truth hit me. I did not need a better job. I needed a better machine. What is the high-ticket lifestyle? Introduction to the sovereign shift. The transition from worker to operator is not a shift in effort. It is a shift in infrastructure. Most people are busy trying to find a better way to work, while the sovereign operator is focused on building a better way to earn, right? What is the high-ticket lifestyle? It is not a program. It is a mechanical engine designed to replace your reliance on labor with an automated extraction process. Okay? You are standing at a crossroads. Either you continue donating your time to a system that doesn't care about your input, like your job, or you plug into architecture built for high-ticket sales. What is the high-ticket lifestyle? Forbidden truth number 1. Why your income is not tied to hours. The first lie you were told is that you should be paid for your time. Why time-based income collapsed. The reality, in the 2026 economic landscape, corporate labor is being systematically replaced by AI and automated workflows. The consequence, if you trade your time for money, you cap your existence at 168 hours a week. That's 40 usually, right? But it is what it is. True wealth was built when you decouple your financial results from the clock. I remember talking to a guy named Mark. He worked 70 hours a week in a high-stress corporate role and still got laid off when the budget tightened. He thought effort was the answer. It wasn't. If you ignore this truth, you stay trapped in a cycle of time-based income that never scales. If you apply it, you unlock mechanical leverage that pays you regardless of the clock. Bookmark this if it's hitting you. You need to understand the cost of your current path. What's the high-ticket lifestyle? Forbidden truth number 2. The hidden trap of low-ticket hustle culture. No-ticket affiliate marketing is a digital hobby designed to keep you spinning in place. The psychology behind low-ticket burnout. It forces you to chase volume. It's a game you'll never win against the major advertisers. When you focus on a $20 commissions, you're essentially paying for the privilege of working for someone else. If you're still chasing $20 commissions, you're funding someone else's machine. You're funding someone else's empire while your own sits idle. The high-ticket lifestyle model is the pivot that deletes the middleman. Is not about selling more, it's about selling better. And what is the high-ticket lifestyle? Forbidden truth number 3, how the roll-up engine actually works. Okay. The roll-up engine is the mechanical heart of the system, the math of the roll-up engine. Unlike traditional programs where your effort is siphoned off, this architecture ensures you only pay for what you have not yet secured. When you own the level, you own the commission. It's a system built on qualification, not theft. If you want to see how the team bonuses multiply this engine, read my breakdown on day 12, the roll-up mechanics here. Okay, this is the difference between residual scraps and $500 to $5,000 direct strikes, okay? And this is the picture you may see on YouTube or Google. And I want to show you some elite things that make this system different from any other you've probably ever seen. Okay, how about the DFY bonus call center? Bonus DFY call center. 100% automate commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. Look at your sponsor right there. We make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769. You call this number, you listen to a short message, you leave your contact information, and the owner calls you back. And your owner will do that for the people that want to upgrade with you, okay? How cool is that? Not only can you get your questions answered, your people will get their questions answered as well. Never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high-ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big-ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? Okay? And I want to show you another thing. You see this timer right here, 48-hour upgrade bonus, only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. Now, most systems, they have bonuses that you'll never use, like a PDF that you'll never even read or much less use, okay? See how this timer is clicking down? How about imagine getting upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, this timer right here, can't miss it, you'll be rewarded with the next level qualification. Join at the $500 level. You see this X? Join at the $500 level, get no upgrade. Join at the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. So that means you pay $1,500 plus the admin fee, right? Let me get more in this picture, okay? And you get qualified at $3,500 level. That means you can make $3,500, $1,500, or $500, and you only paid $1,500 plus the admin fee. So more than double your money. More than double your money. Okay, and this is just one commission, one sale. And we have a done-for-you call center. Remember, join the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. Join the $5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus, which is a diamond level bonus, the Bitcoin boss route table. Get access to Justin Temple's personal day trading chat and daily market analysis, plus copy trades right when Justin makes market moves. Imagine, okay? Now let me go back to the post, okay? Where is it? Okay. What is the high-ticket lifestyle? Forbidden truth number 4. Time, filters, and the path to true sovereignty. If you're personally answering phones to explain your business, you are an employee. The 1-800-771-0769 mechanism is your bouncer. Ensures that only those with the discipline to listen to the message ever reach your pipeline. Stop trying to be the closer. Start being the architect. Work smart, not hard. If they won't dial the number, they're not your customer. The siphon causes a noise so you can hear the signal. Notice how different your calendar feels when you stop chasing and start filtering. Okay? Imagine not talking to anybody and you have a commission to your favorite payment processor sitting in your, in your Cash App, your Zelle, your PayPal, etc., etc. Okay, what is the high-ticket lifestyle? Forbidden truth number 5. While the professional closing floor changes everything. Why would you try to learn high-pressure sales when you could buy access to a team that does it for you? The admin fee is not a cost. It is an investment in your own outsourced sales department. They handle the questions, the objections, and the closings while you focus on the movement of traffic. You're not a guru. You're an operator who finally found a machine that works. Okay? Now, I'm going to do part 2 in just a minute. But again, this was what is the high ticket lifestyle? 5 forbidden truths. And this is JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood Solley man. Don't delay, get what you did today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.